Okay guys, we're here leaving the house in Florida. We have a hunting trip coming up. Hopefully we can get it done. We only have a couple days to hunt, Alrighty guys, we're here in Ohio. We made it, and we're gonna start shooting my crossbow, see if it is still on. Yeah, we're kind of just scouting around. Been doing some e-scouting for a while, but I'm gonna go take a look at it and hopefully we can get it done. So guys, we're at our next spot for the evening, and we're working, and there's a field above me, which we were gonna hunt, but I couldn't find a spot to sit on the ground. So now I'm kind of down looking into the woods, and I saw a couple paths coming up, so I'm hoping that they'll kind of walk right where I'm at to get to the field, and I can maybe catch them before they hop into the field. Just got word that Daniel put the smack down on a doe tonight, so we'll have at least one deer to look forward to. There's blood. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Then you go that way. Okay.
Is that? Yeah, that's blood. Dude, she's gotta be right in here. Oh, there she is.
Oh, money.
Yo.
Dude, I just shined my headlight right there.
Oh.
And I didn't see her.
Oh, damn, that's a bigger doe than I thought.
All right. Set for plate for you.
Oh, yeah.